Do not run out of space. How to move PC game to a different hard drive. If your hard drive is running out of space, you can move your collection of PC game to a different drive. Here's how to set up the move from your game client of choice. SLDS have gotten bigger, but so have game. Call of Duty Modern Warfare was our at launch, which does not leave room for much else on a modestly side disk. If you are willing to give up some of those super fast loading time, you can move some of your games to a secondary hard drive with more space without re-downloading them. Some game client like Steam have built-in feature that allow you to move your game from one location to another. Other link the Epic Game Store require a little finance to move a game's file. Here's how to do it on the most popular launcher. There's a good chance most of your digital collection resides in Steam, which thankfully make it easy to move your games. To do this, head to Steam settings, storage. To open the storage manager, click the plus icon next to your current drive and choose your secondary install location. Hit add and the new folder will appear next to your first drive. Now when you go to install a new game, you will be given a choice between your pre-selected library folder. I put the game I am currently playing on my SSD with the games I revisit on my slower spinning hard disk. To move a game you currently have installed, return to the storage manager and select the game. Click move, then choose the current drive and click move again. This may take a bit of time if the game's file take up a lot of space. When it's done, Steam will launch the game normally without a hiccup. Note that you may need to do a bit of extra work if you have custom models installed, but for most titles it's that easy. Check out our list of the best Steam tips for more. Galaxy Launcher allow you to change where game are installed, but there is no built-in button to move downloaded games to a few new folder. Click the gear icon in the top left corner, open setting, installing, updating and select game installation folder. Choose your preferred location and future game will be saved here. We can also manipulate this feature to move downloaded game to a new location. To move a game, turn to File Explorer and navigate to GOG Galaxy installation folder. The default being C program file Galaxy game. Right click on the folder containing the game in question, then cut the paste and folder to your new location. Save the games and wait for the file to copy over. When that done, open Galaxy, right click on the game and choose manage installation. Uninstall, you will get an error telling you it could not uninstall the game, but that's okay. Click on the game again to install it, and when it asks you where you want it in uninstalled, choose the folder where you copied the game file. In your example, it will be installing the game. Realize the file are already there and the installation will complete very quickly without re-downloading the file a second time. Electronical Art has passed out the Origin launcher in favor of its new EA app. While the new service promise faster download speeds, updates, and the ability to communicate with friends across different platforms, he is missing Origin